Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a tutorial on my super sleek bun. It's one of my favorite buns to do and I usually wear it to like work or anything, and it's great for that day 2, day 3 hair when you don't really know like what to do with your hair. So it's just like one extra hairstyle you can get before you do that nice wash and go. So let's go ahead and get started. So as usual, I start with my water bottle and go ahead and spritz your hair until it's a little damp, mainly around the edges, because that's like where you really want to focus on getting those little extra flyaways down, you know. And then I do it throughout my hair a little bit, just so it can help my bun look nice and cute whenever it's up. So that should be good enough. All right, so from here, I put in leave-in conditioner for tease, and I'll put this in just to help, you know, keep it from getting all frizzy and stuff. And it helps keep those flyaways away. Helps so when I put my hair in the bun, the curls look like halfway decent still. So then I'm gonna take my Shea Moisture Edge Treatment product here and put it through my hair, just like where I'm gonna be brushing it. So I'll put a little bit in my hand and then just kind of like put it throughout my hair. So this will help when I start to brush it. It'll make it more sleek looking. All right, from there, I'll take my brush, my little brush here, and start to brush it back and smooth out the edges on the crown of my head. And then this is gonna be a high bun, so I'm gonna brush it up to where I want that bun to rest on my head, which is about right there. So yeah, you just wanna make sure you have all the edges smoothed down so you can get that nice sleek look. All right. And then from here, you'll take a hair tie and put it up in a bun, however you do your bun. I usually do mine once. I'll twist once, twist again. And when I bring it back through here, I'll twist it around. And that just kind of makes the bun look a little bit more put together, I guess. So then I'll go, excuse me. Then I will go and put some bobby pins in and tuck it in to the ponytail back here. Okay, put some bobby pins. And whichever ones are like sticking out or not looking, you know, nice, just kind of tuck them away. There we go. Make sure this is nice and smooth. Okay. And then I will take a little bit more of that edge gel and put it on like where my edges kind of are, I guess. Now y'all know that I don't really do edges that well, so bear with me. But at this point, this is where you're gonna be getting your edges straight, and it just like makes the bun look a little bit better, you know? So yeah, so you just work with whatever edges you got, and then, and I don't really like to do anything drastic. Gosh, that's a hard word. But, you know, just a little bit, and then down here. I usually do like 1 or 2 swoops for my edges just because I don't want to mess them up or anything. Yeah, but you get the point. You'll just do your edges here, make them look good or decent. Bear with me, this is only like my second time doing my edges. Okay. But yeah. Oh man. Sometimes I'll like leave a curl down here too, because I just like having curls out. I think it helps with my big old round face that I have going on here. But I know some people like to brush these back and make a nice little loop here or whatever, but it really just depends on what you're looking for in your bun. So this is the final look, and as you can see, that was a super easy bun to do, and it's great for that final day hair right before you wash it. It's super easy. You just throw it up and then, you know, you're good for the day. But if you like this tutorial, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I post a new hair tutorial every week, and I will see y'all next time. Thanks for watching.